Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube channel Learn with Gisela. Let us take up a question related to compound interest. A man had rupees 75,000. He invested rupees 35,000 in a company which pays him 9% interest per annum, and he invested rest of the money in another company which pays him 9.5% interest per annum. Find the total compound interest received by him after 2 years. So this is the question. The total sum of money which the man had was 75,000. He invested 35,000 in a company which was paying him 9% interest per annum, and rest of the money, that means 75,000 minus 35,000, that is 40,000, he invested in a company which paid him 9.5 interest per annum. And we have to find the total compound interest which he received after 2 years. So time period is 2 years, for which we have to calculate the total compound interest. Now first of all, let us take the first case. The principal is rupees 35,000. Time period is 2 years. Rate of interest is 9% per annum. And we will be using the formula of amount, that is A is equal to P in bracket 1 plus R upon 100 whole raised to per n. Now further we shall put the values. So 35,000 in bracket 1 plus 9 upon 100 whole square. Further we shall take LCM. So 35,000 in bracket 100 plus 9 upon 100 whole square, which is equal to 35,000 in bracket 109 upon 100 whole square, and further we shall expand it. So 35,000 into 109 into 109 upon 100 into 100, which is equal to rupees 41,583.50. So this is the amount at the end of second year, that is 41,583.50. Now the compound interest is the difference between amount and principal. So accordingly, we can write 41,583.50 minus 35,000, which is equal to rupees 6,583.50. So this is the interest which the man is receiving from his first investment of rupees 35,000. Now we come to the second case of the question, where he had invested the rest of the money at 9.5% per annum. So total amount what he had was rupees 75,000, and amount of money which was left with him after investing in the first company is 40,000, that is 75,000 minus 35,000, which is rupees 40,000. So now the principal is rupees 40,000, time period is 2 years, and rate of interest is 9.5% per annum. And we shall be calculating the amount and then the compound interest for 2 years. So amount formula is A is equal to P in bracket 1 plus R upon 100 whole raised to power n. Further we shall put the values. So 40,000 in bracket 1 plus 9.5 upon 100 whole square. Further we shall take LCM. So 40,000 in bracket 100 plus 9.5 upon 100 whole square, which is equal to 40,000 in bracket 109.50 upon 100 whole square, and further we shall expand it and write 40,000 into 109.50 into 109.50 upon 100 into 100, which we will further solve, and we shall get rupees 47,961. So amount at the end of second year is coming rupees 47,961. Now once we have calculated the amount at the end of second year, that is rupees 47,961, we can find out the compound interest which he will earn on this investment for 2 years. And compound interest, as we know, is the difference between amount and principal. So 47,961 minus 40,000 is equal to rupees 7,961. Now total compound interest is the sum of compound interest which we will earn in the first investment and the compound interest which he will earn in the second investment. So 6,583.50 plus 7,961 is equal to rupees 14,544.50. So this is the compound interest which he will receive from his investments at different rates which he has done at different amount. So principal was different and the rate of interest was different. Only the time period was same, that is 2 years. So this is it. Hope you have enjoyed and learnt this question. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone. Have a good day.